I was making a bunch of videos today, and I just started looking at some of the memorabilia that I have with CEREC. I love memorabilia. I like to save things, and I thought I'd just kind of go through a few of the things that are up on my shelves and stuff. And you can watch this or not, but it's all about the passion of CEREC. And you know, I even saved stuff like this. This is my Emax 500 coffee mug that nobody puts coffee in, just like on the Johnny Carson show. But let me show you just a few of the stuff I pulled off the shelves. Let's have some fun. Let's start right here. CEREC 25, they gave out these cameras. Do you remember these things? These were, they were all the rage, and they were, I can't remember what they called these, flip cameras or something like that. Yeah, flip, right, here we go. And you flipped it, and then you put it in the fancy little USB port, and you could upload your images or your videos. I can't get this thing to turn on. If anybody knows how to get this to turn on, I've plugged it in, whatever. There's probably video on here that we don't need to know. All right, what else we got? Oh, this is pretty cool. This is, let me zoom in on this. This is, when I launched CERECology, that was my first training program, CERECology. Oh, what an appropriate name for CEREC. We made all these custom poker chips. This was at the Las Vegas event in CEREC 20 at Bally's. So give me a shout out if you've got one of my poker chips. That'd be pretty cool to know. One of the other things that I gave out at CEREC 25 were a bunch of baseballs, had them customized, and they were in everybody's bag. And the funniest thing for me to think of is the thousands of baseballs that were all over the place when they were putting them all in the bags. But baseball, that's kind of cool. Let's see what else. Let's zoom in, and I'm one of those people that likes to save the stuff on the lanyards, and got a bunch of pins here. Probably the two cool ones, well, three actually, other than my Born to Mill, digital enamel Born to Mill in Texas. I live in the country of Texas. CEREC 30, we did some Born to Mill stuff, but this one is CEREC 20. Let me get this around. That's the official pin for CEREC 20 in 2006. And then CEREC 33, which nobody remembers. My CERECology pin that some people have out there, CEREC 34, that was kind of a plastic pin. Another really cool pin was this one. That's one of the original CEREC pins. There's only not very many people have those. That's from the 90s even, I think. This is an ADA 150 pin. I lectured at that. This is my dental school. But this one was really cool for my old CEREC users, the ACDNA, the Academy of Computerized Dentistry North America, the United States, and Canada. And the worldwide version of it was the ISCD, which I've got a magazine from them, which I'll show in a minute. But it was at the ACDNA meeting in Chicago that I was just a brand new CEREC user, and I'm in the audience at that fancy hotel downtown Chicago. And I saw a guy get up on stage named Mark Morin, and he knocked it out of the park. And I had never, ever seen anybody more passionate about something in dentistry, and it lit a fire in me. I mean, thank you, Mark, for giving me the passion that I've got for CEREC today. But anyway, there's some lanyard stuff. What else do I got here? Let me get over here. What else do I have? Let's see. Oh, I've got a stress ball or a stress block from Vita years ago, and it says, "Taking the stress out of block selection." Yep, that takes the stress out. Another little stress ball is from Karari. They got their little sumo wrestler. Kind of weird, but you can squeeze him if you want. What else do I have? Oh, this is cool. So I've been to every CEREC celebration ever. And there were two in 2006. Many people don't know this, but there was one in Germany, in Berlin, and then there was one in Las Vegas. So they had two meetings that year. And I went to the one in Berlin with my good friend Bill Butler, if you're out there watching, super cool guy. And this was part of the the Berlin Wall, which I got. What else do I have? Something else from Vita. Vita always has some cool stuff, so I got this little Vita Rocks guitar. I saved that stuff. It even came with a little guitar stand, which is super cool. Put that up. What else do I have? When I opened up Digital Enamel Education Center, I made custom wine for everybody. So we had California White, which this is a white wine, and this was a case that I did out of Emax Opal 2, which is unbelievably white, but California White. And then we made a red, and this is too tight red, Digital Enamel red wine. What else do I have? This is a coffee mug that my team members got me. This is an RV trip that we took to Orlando, and oh my gosh, too many stories. Can't even go into all that, but it was a fun trip nonetheless. What else do I have? My Born to Mill hat. We gave a bunch of these out. These are the pink ones. We had black ones as well. I can't remember what meeting that was for, but we had these super cool little pins that came with those. And what else? The people. When you look at the people in all of this, I appreciate people like, my good friend James Clem, just super great guy. The best CEREC user in the entire world. His cosmetic cases are the best. And what do you know? Pre-plan the case with CAD/CAM implants, CEREC 4.0. Save that. And what else? Let's talk about more people here. Here's the brochure from the 20th anniversary, and I'll thumb through this a little bit. Here, let me flip this over to get these out of here. So you can kind of see some of the characters way back when. Let's see. We got the big guy right here, Professor Mormon. He's the dude. I've met him a number of times. And Albert Mayle. I've always said, if you ever see him in an article, you always read it. You listen to that guy. Roddy, always love Roddy. And then Rich Masick, super great guy. Let me go back to me. Rich Masick, awesome. I still have your book. Look. Highly Aesthetic CEREC Solutions. Awesome book by Rich Masick. You got to hold on that. He did just awesome work. He was a pioneer in aesthetics. Just awesome, great. I think he got accredited in the Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry with CEREC, which was pretty cool. And anyway, so 20-year CEREC symposium. What else do I have here? This is cool because, let's see, this was Patterson's catalog called Choices. This is going to be funny. This was the opening, and look at that. Look, there's me when I was so young and innocent. Look at that, I made a little inlay or a little onlay. Look how proud I am with the red camera. Lee Culp right here. There's my buddy James Clem. Good job, buddy. So that was kind of cool. What else we got here? The program from CEREC 30. This was in 2015. Just an awesome event. And if you're not in CEREC and you're just watching this video, this is what it's all about. These people, they're great events, and really excited about them coming back to life. Thank you, Rockstar CEREC 30. That was a big event. I got to present on the main stage that year. That was a pretty big honor for me. Let's see. Another program, CEREWorld 2016, the ultimate dental meeting, because there's no other meetings that's quite as cool as this one, which is just about right. But, look at all these speakers. It's really kind of cool. Here's Celtra Duo. Just try it. Yes, you should try that. What else I got? CEREC 25 program. So this was neat. 2010. So this is some good CEREC trivia that nobody ever talks about. So CEREC 20 was in 2006, CEREC 20. And CEREC 25 was in 2010, just 4 years later. I don't think the math adds up. But anyway, this was a fun event. Look, there's my friend Paul Homley, and like Dennis Fassbinder, he's an awesome guy. Imtiaz, Ingo Zimmer. I mean, there's Gordon Christensen. There's my friend Mark. I mean, you got all sorts of people that are involved in this CEREC world. Super fun. Oh, look at that. I paid for the inside cover. That cost me way more money than I needed to spend. But anyway, that was good. That was good for me, CEREC 25. One of the other things I love, like Rich Masick's books, I have, if it's a book in CEREC, I get it. This is my good friend, August Oliveira's Printing Made Easy. Let me see how easy it is. Yep, pretty easy. He's a good guy. What else? What else do I have? Oh, I was talking about the people. Let me flip this little thing on here. Here, turn on. There's my good friend Daniel Vasquez. I have thousands of pictures and videos walking around the booth, and that's one of my favorite things is just meeting everybody, getting to know people better, and CEREC's more than just making restorations. It's a lot about the people. So thanks, Daniel. Adios. Here, we'll turn you off. And then where's my other picture? Oh, I got to get the hat here first. This is my steampunk hat from this was 2017 at the CEREC celebration in Las Vegas, and the big party was I think it was black tie or James Bond or something like that, which we didn't think it was so cool, so we dressed up as steampunk. That was fun. And what else do I have? Oh, I'll end it with this. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything here. Give me just a second. I got so much stuff, it's not even funny. I'll get these people off, although I think they're super cool. I'll get them off. I wrote a book, Chairside CAD/CAM Dentistry. This is pre-Prime Scan days. Wrote it in 2018 with a bunch of pictures and cases and everything, but the first section of it is all about kind of a pictorial history of CEREC. I've only got a few of these left. I'm not producing any more of them, so if you're interested in that, you can take a look at digitalenamel.com. Anyway, thank you to everybody. Davul Patel, Rich Rosenblatt comes to mind, Mike Scramstad. You guys are just awesome people. All my Epic ladies. I forgot about that. I forgot here's my Epic lady pen. It's what it's all about. And, it goes in trends and goes up and down, and we kind of follow the technology and the materials and everything. But I am truly blessed to be a part of this big, gigantic CEREC family. And so everybody out there, thank you so much. And let's just continue support each other.